Hi guys, it's Kamau. Welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, please consider subscribing. I thought I would do a video about Kamau's survival kit, because I was thinking, what if I had to go into the wilderness, into the forest, into the hills for whatever reason, whether it's the apocalypse, invading army, to whatever the reason. I was thinking to myself, what are some things that I would definitely want to have in my bag or kit or whatever to ensure that I had a great chance of surviving. Now, maybe you will have some of these things in your kit, or maybe you say, come on, really? That's so weird. Why would you even think of putting that? You know that I don't do things the way normal people do it, right? So I'm going to tell you the things that are in my kit, my 7 essential things. Now, I ordered them according to the 3 V's, right? So the first V has to do with how vital it is. So it's vital, versatile, and volume. Volume in the sense of how convenient would the thing be to carry. So how vital it is, how versatile it is, how much use you could get out of it, and how much of it you would actually be able to carry. Now my first item, of course, is water. No one can challenge how vital water is. So I make sure I have water, because without water I can't survive for more than a few days. The thing with water though is not, you can't really make a whole lot of it because it's quite heavy. However, a little can go a long way if you're in a crisis situation. You don't have to gulp it down. You can sip a little and it will actually last. In terms of how versatile it is, well, water is a universal solvent, right? Most solids and liquids will dissolve in water. So, and if you have enough of it, of course, you can also use some water for your hygiene to keep yourself clean. Quench your thirst, though, is the most important use of the water to keep you alive. So that's my number 1 thing on my list. And your list would probably have water as well, right? Number 2, salt. Yes, I would make sure to take salt, regular table salt. Vital. Well, salt is actually vital to your life. Versatile. Salt can actually be used for a number of things, not just inside the body, to provide the sodium chloride, but salt has many other uses. It can actually be used as a disinfectant and antiseptic, right? If you get a cut, you can put salt on it. It will kill the bacteria. It will kill whatever germs are there. Through the process of dehydrating them, certain little insects and, for example, worms and creepy crawlies that would want to invade your space while you're out in the forest, up in the hills, salt will actually kill them. Whether it's slugs, worms, certain insects, if you pour salt on them, salt will kill them. And of course, you know, you can just throw some salt over your shoulder. That will take care of the ghosts and the monsters. Salt is very easy to carry, and you don't know, a little bit goes a long way, so you don't have to load up on your salt. So yes, salt is my number 1. Number 2, I would take a bottle of honey. I know you don't have honey on your list, and I know you want to know, why would you take honey? Well, Honey is an excellent food. It's loaded with nutrients. So not only does it have, honey contains sucrose, glucose, and maltose, because of course you know the bees make it from the pollen, and it has a lot of nutrients in it. Honey preserves very well. It's the only food that does not spoil. You can have honey for hundreds of years. It will not spoil. So I would take honey. It's also a cleanser and it's a medicine. Especially if you blend it with lime, with citrus fruits, honey is good for colds and coughs. So for that reason, I would include honey. I would take a rope with me. Vital because it is very good to have. It can tie things up, it can help support things, it can help you with your climbing. If you're carrying stuff, you can bundle them with a rope. So a rope is very useful. It's convenient. You can just coil it and flip it over your shoulder, right? Very versatile to have a rope with you. Many uses. The strength of the rope can help you cross rivers, it can help you climb trees, it can help you do a bag of things. So I would definitely have a rope with me. I would have a knife with me to cut whatever I need to cut. If I'm gathering food, if I'm putting up a structure, the knife comes in very handy. And of course for defense, right? Have to have something to defend myself. The knife is the best tool for that in terms of versatility and always having it there. Your bullets can run out, the knife will always be there. Number 6, I would take matches. Well, matches to light a fire, keep me warm, as well as to chase away wild animals, most of whom will not come if they see a fire. And the matches, I wouldn't say it's versatile. It's just for lighting fires as far as I know, right? But it's very useful. And in terms of volume, you can take as much with you. It's very light, easy to carry. One stick goes a long way. One stick, you just strike that and you can keep that going for some time. Number 7, and this one is going to be so weird. You would not have this on your list, and that is neem oil. Why on earth, Kamau, would you put neem oil on your list of your survival kit? Well, you know, I actually chew neem leaves every morning. Neem is an excellent herb for building your immunity, for cleaning your system. It's an extremely bitter herb. But in the mornings while I'm doing my laps, I pick up maybe 8 to 12 leaves and I chew that while I'm walking. The neem oil is very potent. It will chase away mosquitoes and other insects. It's a repellent. So many farmers will plant the neem leaves around to chase off pests from their crops. And so if you rub the neem oil on you in the night, you know, if you're out in the bush, it will chase the mosquitoes. Right, so, and of course, neem is a birth control method. It's used as a birth control method. You don't want to get pregnant while you're out in the bush. So, excellent oil to carry with you. So those are my 7 items. Let me know what you think and what you would add or take away. Let me know what your 7 items would be. I know some on my list were weird. I know you would not think of it, but I tend to be very pragmatic about things. I try to think in very practical ways and out of the box, you know, and I try to find solutions in ways that I know most persons would not even think of going there. So these are the items that I use them a lot for ways that a lot of persons don't even consider using them for. And that's the reason I would add them to my list. Let me know what you would put on your list of 7 things for your survival kit.